Have you ever been in Walmart and picked up Flanken style beef ribs and been like, what the fuck is Flanken and how do I cook it? Well, this video's for here. Fuck. So Flanken style is basically Korean short ribs. It's beef short ribs cut across the bone. So let's start with this marinade. We're gonna chop some garlic, nice and loosey-goosey. We're gonna throw our meat into the bag, and then we'll get this marinade going. We're gonna start off with that chopped garlic, and then we're gonna use W sauce. Every person who cooks needs to get some W sauce. It's phenomenal. Next is soy sauce. Also, you'll notice there aren't measurements. I need you to measure with your heart, all right? You can figure it out. I believe in you. Next, we have Melinda's Japanese barbecue sauce. There's some sweetness in this. It's delicious. We got some lemon juice. Make sure to drop it. Then we're gonna go ahead and get some ginger on there. Okay, shred some ginger. I love ginger. Who doesn't like a good ginge? I was super pumped when I was at Winco and I found some Hams beer. I used to drink that when I was 23 years old. I'd get my small paycheck and buy 2 packs of cigarettes and a case of Hams. Any light beer will work. And then we're just gonna throw in some seasonings. I'm using Chunx Flavor Train's Pinky Poppin Umami, because that flavor just works. You can use salt and pepper if you want, whatever. Get all the air out of that bag and let this marinate for, you can do 4 hours, but 24 hours better. Today we are seasoning with Blazing Star beef rub. It is the greatest beef rub ever made. That is a scientific fact. We're using Jealous Devil Chunx, as always, hot and fast. You want to cook these hot and fast. You don't have to low and slow smoke them like regular beef ribs. They're so thin, they're so tender. You're going to use a full chimney, get that as hot as you can, get those coals close, and then it's only 1 or 2 minutes a side. I put about 2 minutes per side. Keep flipping them if you want to. The internal, I still like a little pink in mine, so the internal I still took off at 125, 1 to 135, and you're golden. Look at that. That's it. We're done. Super easy, super fast, inexpensive. Give it a try. The flavor on these is ridiculous. So thanks for stopping by and peeping the recipe. Check out that Moleja shirt. That's gonna be available on the website. Drop a like, drop a subscribes. Jesus Christ. Thanks.